Hey guys, Romero here with another tip on the Sea-Doo GTIs. On this one, I'm going to talk a little bit about the speed control, which is this button right here. Now the speed control has two functions. It has what's called a slow mode and it has what's called the cruise control. On the cruise control we will discuss a little bit later, but on the slow mode, it's kind of what I consider the no wake mode. So if you are cruising along, you're in forward, you can press the speed control button to set the level of speed that you want. Now keep in mind that the level of speed does not determine how fast you're actually going. So you have 9 different levels, 1 through 9, and you control them using the up and down arrow keys, and you lock it in using the set button. So as you see, level 1 is set to about 1800 RPMs, only going about 3 miles an hour. Level 2 goes up a little bit to about 1850. Then it kind of follows the same routine all the way to level 9, which currently takes me to 6 miles per hour. To disable the speed, the slow mode, all you need to do is press the IBR trigger or lever. That will set it back to neutral, and then if you hit the button again, it will set you back to the level that you were at. Now you can speed up on slow mode, but it will automatically disable once you get to 9 miles per hour. So here I am at 8, you can still see the icon, and then once I go to 9, it will disable that icon and it will no longer work. So if you speed up to, let's say, 8 miles per hour and you're cruising, and then you let go of the trigger, it will stay activated at whatever level you were at. So just keep that in mind if you are cruising along and you need to speed up a little bit. If you go over 9 miles an hour, it will deactivate slow mode. So just be very careful with that. Aside from that, that's pretty much it for slow mode. Romero here. Wanted to talk about the cruise control, or a feature of the speed control, Sea-Doo speed control. So if you are going faster than 9 miles an hour, you can press and hold the speed control to limit your maximum speed. So right now, I have the accelerator pressed all the way down, and I have the max speed set to 13. Now the slowest you could go is 9 miles an hour, right? But you can go up to, I don't know, I think I've had it up to about 30. So the cool thing about this is that you can slow down, use your brake, you know, stop the speed, and then as long as you squeeze the trigger, that feature will still be turned on. So max speed, 30 miles an hour. Right? And that'll gently take you up there. Now, if you want to turn this feature off, the way you have to do it is you have to stop the ski and then hit the mode button to switch modes.